everyone, welcome back to my channel. I am so excited for today's video because it's something a little bit different. I filmed for you my everyday makeup routine. Now, I like to keep my makeup super simple and natural looking, and I love like a healthy, glowy base, especially now that the warmer weather is here. So I'm going to be sharing some of my favorite products to help achieve that natural glow from within. All right, I had a lot of fun filming this. Can't wait to share, so let's just get started. Good morning, you guys. I thought it would be a lot of fun to get ready together. But first, some coffee. I'm gonna tuck my hair behind my ears. Let's get out of the way. All right, so my secret to glowy skin is this product right here, and it is the L'Oreal True Match Lumi Glotion. I wear this on no makeup days, and I love to put this underneath my foundation. I apply it to the high points of my face, and it just gives my skin the most natural glow from within, and it makes my skin look really healthy. It's beautiful. See, really subtle, but really pretty. And then for my skin, I really love MAC's Face and Body Foundation. It's super lightweight, it goes on beautifully, and it almost looks like you're not wearing any makeup at all. It's perfection in my books. Really easy to apply. I just squeeze it right onto my fingers, and then I'm going to work it all over my face. I love using my fingers to apply my face products. I find that it's really quick and easy, but it also just really helps to melt the product into the skin, and I think it makes it look even more natural. I love the finish, you guys. It looks really dewy and pretty. You can still see my freckles and beauty marks, so it does give a really natural appearance to the skin. Love it. Now, days where I want a little bit more coverage, I do like to apply a full coverage foundation only where I think I need it. So this one is the Maybelline Superstay foundation. It looks absolutely flawless on the skin. I love it. So I'm gonna take this on the back of my beauty blender and only apply this where I need it, making sure to not cover up any of my freckles to help keep that natural appearance. But I think that's one of my biggest tips if you want your makeup to appear natural and that you just have this like glowy, flawless skin, is not to cover up any of your freckles or little imperfections, just to embrace them, and yeah, it gives the illusion that you're wearing no makeup at all. So the base is done. I'm looking glowy. We're looking flawless. So I'm gonna go in with my concealer, and I've been loving the IT Cosmetics Bye Bye Under Eye for years. It's perfect at erasing dark circles. So I'm going to apply it with my finger. And I like to place it just below my under eyes so that I can pat it upwards and help sheer out the product so it's not too thick. That way it helps prevent creasing. You notice my hands like always just sitting like this. My friend used to always say that I looked like T-Rex. Like I always stand with my hands like this. Anyone else? And then I work it down to the sides of my nose and just keep patting it in. And then when I was younger, I was playing with the boys and I got hit with an snowball in between my eyebrows. So I have a lot of redness there. So I'm just gonna put a little bit to help cover it up. All right, setting my under eyes is a must. And this powder from Cover FX just makes my under eyes look airbrushed. It's absolutely beautiful. Because I have dry skin, I used to be afraid of using powders, but it really helps my makeup stay in place all day and look flawless. Can you guys tell I've been listening to Beyonce's Homecoming album because I keep saying the word flawless, so I apologize in advance, but I just focus my powder in my T-zone and underneath my eyes to help prevent any creasing. All right, next up is blush. I used to actually never like to wear blush, but now I feel like it makes my skin look really healthy and youthful. So I really love this pink cream color out of this palette. It's actually the only color that I use, and I just apply it to my fingers, and I just pat it onto the apples of my cheeks. And I really love using cream blushes. I find that they are really quick, easy to use, and they look so natural on the skin. Coffee break. And then another secret for that glow from within is a liquid highlighter. I don't really hear a lot of people talk about this one, but it's the Sephora Illuminating Drops. They are absolutely beautiful. So I'm just gonna give them a shake. Pop a little bit onto my fingers. And then I just tap it onto the high points of my face. They're so beautiful, you guys, and they just give you that really natural, healthy glow from within. I love them. So typically I'll leave my highlighter like this, but if I want something a little extra, I really love Becca's Opal highlighter. I think it's beautiful, really natural for every day, and I think it's the perfect highlighter for spring and summer. So I just apply this really lightly to the tops of my cheekbones and my brow bone. I find when I add this step that it really helps give me the illusion of having super high cheekbones, so I love doing it. And then bronzer, you guys already know I am a huge fan of the Too Faced Chocolate Soleil bronzer, and this is in the shade medium. I find that this is the most natural looking bronzer shade for my skin tone. And then for my eyeshadow for every day, I just take whatever is left on my brush and I just sweep it over my eyelids. Super simple. Now for brows, I believe that brows are my weakness in makeup, but I do like to just use a brow pencil and then I lightly trace under the front of my brows and then I try to define the arch and then I go in and set them with some brow gel. Oh, and this brow pencil, you guys, it's from L'Oreal, so it's drugstore, and I really like it. It has a nice small point and a spoolie built in. I think it's great. Next, I'm going to curl my lashes. And then my favorite mascara for every day is the Glossier Lash Slick. It looks very natural on the lashes and it just helps to lengthen them and define them. Do you guys see the difference? It's not huge, but it's just enough to hold the curl, lengthen the lashes, and it just looks really natural and pretty. And if I'm going to an event or out for lunch or maybe a date night, I really love to add half lashes. I think that they look really beautiful. These ones are from Kiss Lashes. They're in the style Shy. They're very natural looking and they just help to lift my eye. You guys will see, I'll show you the difference. Wow, see the difference that they make? I think that they look super natural, but they just add like a little something to the look. All right, next up, my favorite category, lips, especially nude lip products. Are you guys surprised? They are my favorite part of my makeup. So I thought I would share with you guys my current go-to everyday lip combination. So first up is lip liner. I've been using this shade for years. It's my go-to and it's from NYX in the shade Natural. I love lining the outside of my lips with a nude pencil. It just really helps to define them and give them a more full appearance. Sometimes I will just wear lip liner on my lips because I like my lips to be very low maintenance. I don't want to be thinking about them throughout the day, but I have found an amazing lip product, you guys. And it is the Lancome Matte Shaker in Completely Nut. You guys, the formula of this product is so comfortable. It wears beautifully throughout the day and it's unlike any other lip product that I've ever used. It's so beautiful. I just like to pop a little bit on my lip. And then I just blend it out with my finger. Yeah, really beautiful, looks incredibly natural on the lips, and it is so comfortable to wear throughout the day. I love these. All right, now let's say that I want something a little extra. Maybe I'm heading out. I've been loving adding lip gloss to my lips. You guys, this one from Fenty Beauty is the perfect everyday lip gloss, and a little bit goes a long way. So I just like to pop a tiny bit on the middle of my lips. It smells so good. Wow. I just like to blend it in and I find that it really makes my lips look kind of like juicy and healthy. I think that it's the perfect everyday lip gloss. So that is it, you guys. That is how I achieve my everyday go-to makeup look. I really hope that you guys enjoyed this video. I actually had a ton of fun filming it. I love talking about beauty products. So please comment down below and let me know what you thought of this type of video and if you would like to see some more. But all the products that I used today will be linked down below, and definitely leave a comment if you guys have any suggestions for products that you like to use for your everyday makeup. I love trying new things, so if you think that you have something that I'd like, definitely comment it down below. But thank you so much for watching. Again, I really hope that you liked today's video, and I'm going to go film a hair tutorial, so I will talk to you guys next time. Bye.